Hey, folks, welcome back to Horsepower for an Hour. Thanks for hanging out with us today. It was a blast. We got a chance to head out to Ford to have a look at the all-new 2015 Ford Edge. This car, Spence, was a pleasant surprise. In fact, before I'd gotten into it, I liked it based on its looks. But then after having driven this car, I am really sold.
You're ducking in under 30, you get great performance, and you also get excellent gas mileage. This is perfect for anyone in your family.
100% agree. 2.0 liter EcoBoost engine kicking out 245 horsepower. The shining star in the powertrain is that 6-speed automatic transmission. And as you said, kicking up between 20 and 30 miles per gallon. It is really easy on the wallet, especially at the pumps. But like you said, I mean, ducking well under 30 grand, this car is a slam dunk.
Yeah, the bang for the buck, good looking, great mileage. We love this car. The Ford Edge will get you where you want to go in style and for a great price.
Big shout out to Tony Fiore, his entire crew, everybody out there. In fact, the dealership is fantastic. One thing that they have done a great job of, and I got to give a big shout out to this, is the Vista Ford Racing Division. So oftentimes Ford dealerships are a little hesitant, a little weary or fearful of getting involved in the Ford Racing Division. Tony Fiore is in no way fearful of that. In fact, he's done a fantastic job. Vista Ford, whether it's performance or your pickup truck, it doesn't matter. You're going to have a great time when you go out there.